Good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. Nidhi Darbari, on My Education Treasure. And applied research generally results in discovery, invention, solution to problems, new policies. The correct answer is new policies. On the spot research aimed at the solution of an immediate problem is known as survey research, fundamental research, action research, pure research. The correct answer is action research. Stephen M. Corey is related with fundamental research, action research, applied research, sociometric research. The correct answer is action research. Research which is concerned with the derivation of generalization of broad applicability and only secondarily with any practical value is known as applied research, fundamental research, action research, none of the above. The correct answer is fundamental research. Thank you very much for patiently watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.